If you or a loved one that you know are suffering from one of the 10,000 Fisker Oceans that don't have handles that pop out or pop in all the time, I may have the solution for you. Dry Lube, made by Blaster. Advanced Dry Lube is one of the few things that will actually work to help the operation of this handle. Though it may not last all year, you will get several good months out of Dry Lube. Application is simple. Symptoms may be you enter the vehicle, the handle doesn't pop back in unless you tap it, which requires you to roll down the window, tap it, it pops back in. This symptom can be treated simply by Dry Lube. Dry Lube can be applied the following ways. Note, it does leave a small white residue, but it is easily cleaned up in the areas that you do not want to see it with a simple rag, like this. To apply Dry Lube, find the areas where there are the cracks and crevices, fill it, open it up, fill some more, go to the other side, fill some more, pull it open, fill some more. And the idea here is that you are reaching every one of the areas that has friction. Now, why use Dry Lube over simple grease? The idea is simple. Dry Lube does not collect dirt or debris. Note, this is quite a mess. Very easily does it wipe off into nothing. Now, prior to this video, this handle had the symptom that it did not want to recede back in upon locking. Spraying this Dry Lube should have helped, so we are going to see if it helps. One more thing, if you are having issues with the squeaky mirror, try Dry Lube. Dry Lube also works on the mirror parts. Though I may not offer compensation like law offices, I can offer you simple relief by liking and subscribing to my channel. It helps you to live with this Fisker Ocean. I hope this helped you today. Please comment if you would want or like to see more. Cheers.